There are exactly 10 skills that your MBA is all about. आपका पूरा MBA प्रोग्राम, आप चाहे जिस भी कॉलेज में जाएं, आपका MBA प्रोग्राम ये 10 skills ही हैं broadly. And therefore this video is going to be very crucial for you, because in this video I'm going to be revealing all the 10 skills which actually not only encompass your entire MBA program but also are the skills required for MBA, the skills required for an MBA aspirant like you, so that you can start to learn them from right now. And as soon as you enter your MBA program, you are 2 steps ahead of everyone else. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Now, my objective for this video is very simple. I have identified 10 skills for you, 5 hard skills and 5 soft skills in a very structured manner, and I will be revealing them all. Not only that, I will be sharing with you where do you learn them from. At least आपको एक डायरेक्शन दे दूंगा मैं कि यहाँ से आप ये शुरू कर सकते हैं. अब इससे पहले that I begin explaining that okay, what are the skills required for MBA and probably what are the courses which you should do in your free time. Before I speak about all of these things, one very important thing I have to say to you, that why do you need to start learning these skills from right now? Hello. दिस इज नॉट दैट ओके जब आप MBA में जाओगे तो ये स्किल सीख लोगे तब ये करना, नहीं. ये जरूरी है आप आज एस्पिरेंट स्टेज से सीखना शुरू कर दीजिए. द रीजन इज वेरी सिंपल. 1, इफ यू आर वेरी श्योर अबाउट दिस थिंग दैट दिस ईयर यू आर गोइंग टू अ B school, then तो you definitely need to start to learn them from right now, because as soon as you enter your school you need to freeze your CV. आपकी CV फाइनलाइज हो जाती है तब आप CVs में ज्यादा चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. Therefore, whatever courses, certificates, initiatives which you have to take them right now. As soon as you enter your college, your CVs will get freeze and your summer placements will start. Second reason is that an MBA is a very competitive space anyway. You right now may feel a sense of achievement कि अच्छा मेरा CAT में score अच्छा आ गया, ZAT में अच्छा आ गया, oh I have made it, I will get a final call from this B school, that B school. But that sense of achievement is very short-lived, because as soon as you enter your B school, you will realize सभी लोग rock stars हैं, and that is when people start to feel even worse, that oh my god, how will I survive here, what will I do, वो कितना ज़्यादा अच्छा है, he is doing good. Why? Because in some cases their skills, either their soft skills are very good or their hard skills are good. Therefore it is very important for you to know these skills to learn before MBA. I'll give you a very quick example, after which I'll head on to these exact 10 skills which you need to know, 5 in hard skills, 5 in soft skills. One simple short story. When I was a first year student at IIM Udaipur, since my childhood I have had a speech problem. I stammer. I still stammer while I speak, so my speech is not fluent. Right now I can speak to you in confidence, with confidence rather I should say, because I've practiced it. I've built the confidence. The more YouTubing I do, I'm improving. However, there was a time when I was an MBA aspirant in 2016. I used to scribble my answers in the MBA admission interviews instead of speaking out my answers. That was my halat, to a point where I can speak now. When I entered my MBA, I was thinking the same thing, that hey, how will I get placed? मेरी placement कैसे होगी if I can't even talk, if I can't even talk properly? What I did was that I started working on my skills. I started a blog for myself called Super Heuristics. Through that, I built my skills in the field of marketing. That is how I improved, and suddenly, even when my final placements had not started at IIM Udaipur, I already had 3 job offers from outside the campus thanks to my skills and blogging. The point being, these skills which you need to start learning for your MBA, skills to learn before your MBA, these are extremely important, and now I'll start to share each of them. Therefore, please watch this video up till the end. ये बहुत ज़रूरी video है, बहुत important है. Now, let's begin by sharing with you first of the hard skill. So, what I'll do is that I'll reveal one hard skill and then one soft skill and then one hard skill again. Now, it's a well-known fact. The first hard skill which I am about to share with you is a very well-known thing, which you need to do this for sure. Everyone has to do it. Is MS Excel. You need to know how to maneuver a spreadsheet. There's the most basic. This is irrespective of whether you are finance guy, marketing guy, operations guy, whatever guy you want to be. This is the most essential skill. For example, a basic thing, how to operate VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP. Basic baat hai sabse. You need to learn that. Then from there, certain more advanced formulas which will make your life much easier. All of these things you need to know. Now, where to learn this from? See, 2 simple places. courses, I would always advise you to go to Udemy. Udemy has very good courses. It is not even expensive. 500 rupees, 600 rupees, 700 rupees, 800 at max, and you get such good detailed quality programs. उसमें छोटे से छोटा कोर्स भी है, लंबे से लंबा भी है. और simple thing, if you don't intend to spend so much, start off on YouTube. Search Excel for MBAs. जो भी आएगा start, सीखो, कहीं से सीखो, but सीखो जरूर. From there, allow me to introduce to you the first soft skill which you should know, and this is also very important. Most students falter over here, which is what? Which is business communication. Now, when I'm saying to you business communication, now this is extremely important. Business communication encompasses both the things, your verbal communication and especially your written communication. I need to share this with you, to all of you MBA aspirants, all of you MBA students. अगर आप एक MBA student भी हो who's searching for MBA skills to learn before MBA, skills to learn during MBA, skills to learn for MBA, अगर ये सब चीजें आप सर्च कर रहे हो तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. I have hired a lot of MBA students as management trainees for the various organizations I have been associated with. One thing which I have observed in almost all MTs is one thing. You guys don't even know how to write a good formal email. It is so sad. The kind of emails which MBA students write from the best of the colleges, they write as if they're writing a WhatsApp to a friend. It is so casual. It lacks respect. And it's not that they don't have the vocabulary to do that. No, it's not anything to do with vocabulary, because they've not been sensitized enough to what is the way to communicate in a business scenario. That is a problem. That is why this is something which is very crucial. This is something which you need to really acquire. And what you need to understand is that in the initial years of your career, your exposure to your seniors, the founders, the CEO, is going to be mostly through emails only, because your senior, your boss, will mark you on certain emails which has his seniors in it. So the way you reply to those emails are your only stage in front of those seniors. Now, where do you acquire this one skill from is very important. Now, for this, I would simply advise you, I've told you this, I've created a program called How to Be School. It's the most comprehensive pre-MBA program, the only pre-MBA program you need to learn the soft skills, certain hard skills, and to get a walkthrough of what your MBA program is going to be. ये program मैंने create इसलिए करा है कि ताकि आपको एक walkthrough दे पाऊं कि MBA में क्या क्या होगा आपके साथ, how do you need to operate in it, and what are the सबसे important skills. Go down in the description, find the link to it, join the waitlist. If it has already launched, if you're watching it after it has been launched, then go ahead and enroll for it. I have some concise videos from an MBA for an MBA to help you understand कि भैया ये business communication का game, both verbally and how do you write, how do you crack this. Now allow me to quickly reveal to you the second hard skill which you need to really learn. Here we go. Yeah, the second hard skill which you need to learn is very closely associated to the first one, the first hard skill which I had shared with you. The second one is presentation skills. Predominantly, I am talking about how do you design a presentation. And when I'm saying presentation skills, I am talking about Microsoft PowerPoint. I am not talking about Canva, for God's sake. I've seen a lot of new students who, when I say that, okay, presentation skill is a very important skill for MBA students, they say, sir, Canva में we can make some beautiful slide, ये animation उड़ता हुआ आ रहा है, ये वो सब नहीं चलता इंडस्ट्री में. For example, I'll give you a very simple example. If you're aspiring for a consulting role, consulting is the benchmark for making good slides. ठीक है, ये बात तो आपको सबका है आइडिया कि कंसल्टेंट का मेजर काम है टू मेक अ स्लाइड. दैट इज द हॉलमार्क ऑफ व्हाट स्लाइड क्रिएशन इज फॉर MBA स्टूडेंट. इवन इन कंसल्टिंग एवरीबॉडी यूजेस द क्लासिकल Microsoft PowerPoint. That is the industry standard. Learn that. PowerPoint in fact is a much more powerful tool than any other tool. You can make such brilliant slides. So learn that. Where do you learn this from now? There are two places which I would advise you again. Udemy has good programs for this. वो आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझाएंगे. वहां पे जाके एनरोल फॉर अ 600 rupees, 700 rupees program. It makes sense to pay. See, the reason why you pay for a course is because you get structure in it. YouTube pe you won't know what to search. But again, if you're saying that, okay, I'm not sure yet that which program I should enroll for, then go for YouTube. Moving on from there, allow me to now reveal to you the second soft skill which you need to know. And again, this is extremely important. This is case analysis. Hello, here's a very important thing which you need to know. From your very first day, from your very first week of your MBA, you would be handed over a long case, a Harvard case or an INSEAD case or whichever case. It could be in marketing, finance, operations, and next day in the classroom you are required to discuss on that case. You should have read those cases, analyzed it well, and next day class में जाके present करना है. The point is, my dear friends, nobody is going to teach you पहले की case analysis ऐसा होगा. तो अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि MBA में जाके they will first teach you how to analyze a case, that is not gonna happen. From day one you're expected to be able to analyze a case, discuss it in a class and come to a conclusion, maybe even individually present it. So if you don't want it to be a scary experience, because case analysis happens in every class, any top tier B school you go, case analysis is the norm. आपको MBA में कोई पढ़ाता नहीं है, case analysis कराते हैं. Therefore, this is a very hidden thing. Case analysis सीखिए, अभी से सीखिए, it will help you. Now the thing is, how do you learn it? Where do you learn this from? Again, a very simple thing I'd say to you, I have a program on this. Again, my How to Be School course covers case analysis completely. I have a section in it in which I take a case as an example, a short case, I read it in front of you and I give you an idea of how would you think about it, so that when you're in your B school the first day, you're not lost about that, okay, how do we read it, what do we make an head and tail out of it, ये सब करना बहुत important है. And again, please watch this video up till the end. This is going to be the only video you will need to know about the skills required for MBA students, the skills required for MBA. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because on each of these skills now, in the next few weeks, I'll be creating more content on it so that you have the exact guidance about what you have to do. Therefore, go ahead, subscribe. In the comments, please inform me what kind of more videos you want on all of these skills. It is extremely important. Moving on from there, what is the third hard skill which you have to know, which you need to learn from right now? It is business math and statistical analysis. Right in your term 1 जाते ही there is going to be a subject on stats. उसमें stats का basics आना जरूरी है. Mean, median, mode, basic चीज क्या होता है, उससे भी ज्यादा फिर complex चीजें. Stats is so important for all the fields you want to be in: marketing, finance, operations, whatever you want to be in, even HR, especially in analytics and IT, whichever field you want to be in. There is a reason why all B schools have statistics as their first term subject. That is important. And business math, for example, in a subject like economics, which is again going to be in the very first year of yours, of your MBA, you would need basic level of differentiation as well. Differentiation भी थोड़ा basic level का आना जरूरी है. तो अगर आपने ये सब नहीं करा है, suppose if you are a student from arts, humanities, नहीं करा हुआ है, सीख लो. Where to learn this from? Again, a very simple thing. NCERT is the best. Stats के लिए class 9th and class 10th की NCERT उठा लो, and differentiation के लिए class 11th की NCERT उठा लो. NCERT online NCERT की साइट पे freely available होती हैं. Just go through the examples in that. I'm not even saying to solve anything. Be prepared so that you know. Allow me to share with you the third soft skill which you need to know, which is this. Now, the third soft skill, again, very crucial for any MBA student across the streams, which is critical thinking and design thinking. Critical thinking is an approach of how do you solve a problem, how do you analyze a problem, how do you solve it. That is that. Again, this is what all managers, especially business leaders, need. They need, you need to build this foundation from right now. One thing why I have put this at the spot number 3 is because as soon as you learn your case analysis well, एक बार जब आपको case analysis करना थोड़ा बहुत भी आ जाएगा, you will realize that आपका critical thinking अपने आप ही थोड़ा सा enhance हो गया है. The very fact that you will be in a B school environment, you will start to think in a different way. Design thinking is also an approach in which you solve a problem or you address a problem in a proper structure. I know a lot of you want to become consultants, top job. A lot of you want want to go into product management, another top job at IIM Ahmedabad in Bangalore, उसमें design thinking ही चाहिए. That is all about critical thinking, design thinking. Forget that. Even your consulting interviews, the basic approach, the bedrock of it is critical thinking. One thing which will make you happy is that the very fact that you've cracked CAT, if you're from the general category and if you've cracked these exams, then already आपकी critical thinking काफी enhanced होगी because you've used it already in LR, in RCs, also in DI. But still, where do you actually improve this? Where do you actually improve this from? I would not advise you a lot of things. I would simply say just go and search it एक बार. बहुत समय भी नहीं. Spend 1 or 2 hours and search for critical thinking or design thinking. Just search it and just read it. Be more open to ये होता क्या है. Once you are more alert about it कि क्या होता है, you will already start acquiring this. इसके लिए I will not advise you कि ये कोर्स कर लेना, ये वीडियो देख लेना, नहीं, ये आप अपने आप सीख जाओगे. Just consciously be open about it. From there, the fourth hard skill which I want to share with you, which is extremely important, especially for a certain set of audience who want to specialize in marketing, is digital marketing के basics पढ़ ले. अब एक बहुत sad बात बताने वाला हूँ आपको. In most B schools, digital marketing, my dear friends, forget being in the first or second term. It is not even a first year subject. Digital marketing is an elective in the second year. जब आपकी summer placement हो जाती है, सब हो जाती है. अगर आप एक marketing student हो, आपकी most summer internships marketing में तो digital aspect पे होती हैं. If they are not a sales internship, then they are definitely got something to do with digital marketing. Therefore, your B school fails in this aspect, and I have made videos on this that B schools need to learn this quite. IIM Udaipur has actually started this now. Now, जब मैं था वहाँ पे, then DM used to be just an elective. Now it is a first year का subject, so that is great. Digital marketing basics is not only important for the ones who want to get into marketing, but it is also important for somebody who wants to get into finance, operations. Why? Because you as an MBA student need to build your personal brand as well. I have entire courses on this, that how you need to create content in whichever field you are in so that you can get more internships, more freelancing opportunities and final placements even when your placements have not started. For that personal branding, for you to be able to use your social media really well, you need to learn डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के बेसिक्स. अब सवाल आता है कि ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के बेसिक्स सीखें कहां से. इस पे मेरी थोड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग एडवाइस है. फर्स्टली, आई कवर दिस अगेन इन माय प्री MBA कोर्स कॉल्ड हाउ टू बी स्कूल. आई हैव सम वीडियोस ऑन दैट. वॉच दैट, विल गिव यू एन MBA's perspective of what you need to learn. That is important. So while I can advise you कि you should go to some website and buy something from there, उसका फायदा नहीं होगा because that is not created for an Indian MBA student. What I have created for you is by an Indian MBA student for an Indian MBA student in a very concise way. Also, apart from that, build a blog, create content on it, do SEO, search engine optimization. It is an organic way of doing digital. Then run paid ads on it, run your Instagram ads, your Facebook ads, and all of these things. That blog will function as an experiment lab for you. Not only will you run organic marketing, but you will also learn paid marketing. And then your CV, in your resume, when you will be writing about these skills, you will not just go and say that, sir, I've done a course on digital marketing and this is my certificate. No, then you can give actual data that, hey, I wrote 50 articles on this area and half of my articles, they rank on the first page of the search engine. That is how I used to sell myself, because my blogs used to rank on the search engine. Or, sir, I ran Instagram ads on this thing and my cost per lead was only 7 rupees. That's that. Now you have data. ये होता है ना कि CV में add some figures, numbers, this and that. भाई ये करो ना. This will teach you a lot of things. Moving on from there, the fourth soft skill which you need to learn is this: the art of storytelling. The reason why I've put this at number 4 is because this is something which enhances everything above this. सारे हार्ड स्किल्स जो ऊपर हैं और सारे सॉफ्ट स्किल्स जो ऊपर हैं, if you know the ability to tell a story, to weave a story, it enhances everything. For example, if you have done certain analysis on Excel, आपके पास कुछ डेटा था, उसको आपने उसके ऊपर आपने कुछ करा एनालिसिस. नाउ टू बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू योर सीनियर्स और टू योर क्लासरूम, यू नीड टू नो द आर्ट ऑफ सेलिंग दैट, टू बी एबल टू explain that experience. Same way, presentation, you know how to create good slides, but how to present it, अंदाज़े बयां, वो आना जरूरी है. That thing, everything you do. So see this as an additional layer which enhances the way you speak, enhances the way you write about it. Now, a simple thing. Go to YouTube and search for videos on sales, on negotiation. That will help you groom your way to tell a story. That is important. इस पे भी again, I will not speak a lot on this. This is very simple, very straightforward thing which you should know. Moving on from there, the fifth and the final hard skill. And hello, before we move to the fifth and final hard skill, again, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll be making more content on this. This is the only video you need to know what skills are important for MBAs. Like it, comment, and let me know whether you liked it or was it a waste of time for you. Let me know that, very important for me. Moving on from there, the fifth hard skill, my dear friend, which you need to know is this. Again, I had created something for the students who are interested in marketing. Now something for the students who are interested in finance, जो कि बहुत लोग होंगे. Even if you're somebody who's interested in consulting or whichever field, forget even that. If you're somebody who's interested in marketing, a very important piece of advice, please take your finance and accounting seriously. I regret this. I was a marketing enthusiast. मैंने finance बिल्कुल भी ध्यान से नहीं करी अपने MBA में. I regret it till date. Getting good finance knowledge improves you as a marketer also, as an operations guy, as an HR guy. It is important. Learn that. Now in this, primarily what I'm asking you, you know, is this, that in your first year of MBA, either you will be studying financial accounting and corporate finance. ये दोनों चीजें स्कूल में 11th and 12th में CBSE में already होती हैं. Therefore, a simple advice for this: go ahead and take the class 11th and 12th NCERT on accounting and certain other finance के subjects जो कि you will find in the stream of commerce. So talk to your friends and ask them. देखो, एक तो simple है, go and buy their book on the financial accounting, which you can again find for free online on the NCERT site. That's that. Secondly, in my course How to Be School, again I have a video on the basic financial things which you need to know. तो ये उनके लिए है जिनको नहीं आती है. You should study that. And moving on from there, the last soft skill which you need to really learn right now, which is extremely important, which is, my dear friend, networking, but digital networking. Hello. When MBA students, they go for their MBA admission interviews, they say that, sir, one of the reasons why we're going for MBA is because of networking. We want to build contacts, this and that. Gone are the days when you exchange cards and you meet somebody at your campus and only then it's about that. No, times have changed. Now most of it you will be doing online. Yes, you will use the fact that you are an MBA student from a good B school. That helps you do that, but most of it is going to be online. Therefore, learn how to utilize LinkedIn as a platform. Learn how to use a blog which you will create as a tool to really share knowledge and speak to others. Probably build a YouTube channel for yourself. Now here is one thing. How do you learn this? Now again, a very simple advice for this. I have things in my course How to Be School. I have a few videos on it in which I say to you about that, hey, how you as an MBA student can learn these skills very simply, and how can you build a strong connection not only with the executives in the industry but also with your faculty, also with your friends, also with other MBA students from other schools. All of these different 4 kinds of strategies I have inside that program. The idea of creating this video, and you can take a screenshot of this, the idea of creating this video was to give you a snapshot that what are the skills required for MBA, what are the skills required before MBA. Let me tell you one thing very simply. This is the only video you need on this. I am not somebody who will first make a video on 3 important skills. Then after a few weeks, I will make 5 more important skills, and then you will just end up being कंफ्यूज कि इस एक इंसान के यूट्यूब चैनल पे स्किल्स के ऊपर 10 वीडियो क्रिएट करें, किसी में कोई कोर्स बताया, किसी में कोई कोर्स बताया, बिकॉज उस समय उनको जो समझ में आया कि जी ये कोर्स बता देते हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. दिस इज वन कंक्लूसिव वीडियो. इवन इफ आई मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो, मोस्ट लाइकली आई विल बी यूजिंग द सेम स्किल्स. थोड़े बहुत होंगे शायद यहाँ विच आई मे नो कि यार ये भी एक चीज है विच यू शुड स्टडी, बट दीज आर इन प्रिंसिपल द 10 skills which encompass your entire MBA, the courses you need to do before MBA. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot and goodbye.